Good morning, my dear students. So, hope you are doing very well. In the previous class, we have discussed how to add the given fractions, like both like fraction and also both unlike fractions. In like fractions, that means the denominator is same, in which we simply add the numerator and write the common denominator, and then we get the answer. But in the case of unlike fractions, okay, so you can see here this is a equal fraction, isn't it? And also we have discussed how to add the unequal fraction, which means the denominators are different, isn't it? So we just make the denominator same. For that we find LCM of the given fractions of the given denominators of the fraction. So here also we are do the same procedure in subtraction of fractions. So this is an equal fraction, which means the denominators are same, isn't it? So we can simply subtract, write the denominator as common and subtract the numerator. 12 minus 4, answer become 8, that is 8 by 7. This is the answer. So it is an improper fraction. We can convert into what? Mixed fraction. Okay. Now in this section we need to study how to subtract unlike fractions. So what do we mean by unlike fractions? Yes, unlike fractions means the denominators are different. So here we have one question, that is 9 by 2 minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Look at here. The denominators are different. So what we will do? We will first equalize the denominator, which means we make these fractions into equal fractions. For that we need to find the LCM of denominators. You know, students, how to find the LCM, isn't it? So everyone study the method to find the LCM. Right? So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. We can simply make the denominator into 10 by multiplying the numerator by 5 and denominator by 5 for the first fraction, and simply by the second factor by 2 and 2, isn't it? Yes. So it becomes 45 by 10 and it becomes 16 by 10. Then we will subtract. We get the answer. What is the answer? 29 divided by 10. 29 divided by 10. So this is a improper fraction. We can make this into what? Mixed fraction. So this is how to subtract unlike fractions. Okay. So there are some more examples that we will discuss in our Zoom class. Okay. So how to subtract unlike fractions? Simply find the LCM and make those fractions into equal fractions, and simply subtract the numerator and write the common denominator as same. Okay, and let's do one more example. That is, so here we have another question, that is 9 by 8 and 13 by 24. 9 by 8 and 13 by 24. So look at here, my dear students. Here 8 is the denominator and here 24 is the denominator. The question is, find the difference of 9 by 8 and 13 by 24. So first we need to equalize the denominator. Simply look at here. We can simply make this 8 into 24 by multiplying 3. So it become what? 27 by 24. So here already denominator is 24. So we can subtract this given number, that is 27 by 24 minus 13 by 24. Then the answer becomes 14 by 24. So this is the answer. Okay. Now we can simplify this answer into what? We can take the half of 14 and also we can take the half of 24. Okay. So that is that is called equal fractions. We have already discussed about that. Equal fractions. We have equivalent fractions means multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, and also we can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. So if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, 14 by 2, 7, 24 by 2, 7 by 12, 7 by 12. So we can make equivalent fractions like that. Okay, so this is subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, so there are some exercises that we will discuss in the Zoom class. So my dear students, the next topic, that is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. It is very simple topic. Multiplication of fractions. Okay, multiplication of fractions. So here we have two fractions. I am writing an example. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. We need to multiply these fractions. It is very simple. Multiply the numerator by the numerator, multiply denominator by the denominator. So we need to multiply both. So numerator by numerator. So 3 into 2 divided by 6 into 4. So the answer becomes 6 divided by 24. This is also an equivalent fraction. We can simplify this fraction into simplest or smallest form. Okay, that we will discuss in later. So we can divide this numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so this is how to multiply given fractions. This is one example. Okay, so this is subtraction and multiplication.